open gifts. Papa, what you got, son?
This is a cover for my bed. And this is
It's a Monster Jam cover? Show it.
Monster Jam cover.
Oh, cool.
And
What kind of trucks you got now?
we got Max D! Grave Digger! We got Megalodon! Daughter Loco! And Dragon! Horsey! Gas Monkey Garage! Bulldozer!
Here we are. All the trucks are lined up, ready to meet the new members of the crew. Here's Maddie, my oldest,
Hi.
and James.
What's up, guys?
All right, show us what we got, James.
We got the monster truck changing color and hot water,
Who are they?
Grave Digger, and the Max D.
Hooray!
We got the Bulldozer and Gas Monkey Garage.
Gas Monkey Garage one was a little hard to find, but we got them.
Yep.
Hooray! And who we got here? We got the
Big Hot Wheels RC car,
Bone Shaker.
the Bone Shaker.
And we have the little one too.
Yeah, the little Bone Shaker.
All right, who we got there?
We got the horsepower, we got Dragon, we got Short, the Megalodon, we got Daughter Loco.
All right, now, Papa, we open them up.
Yeah!
We got them all open.
We got them all open.
You ready to play with them?
Yeah.
You ready to make them change colors?
Yeah, sir.
And then we're gonna go outside and play with the RC?
Yeah.
So, there's been a little change of plans because 4 new trucks just came in.
Oh,
All right,
yeah.
tell us which are they?
We got the Mastermod Ice, Mastermod Fire,
Husky.
Muscle Car, Monster Truck, and
Bone Shaker.
the Bone Shaker.
So you got a couple more hot rods and a couple more dogs.
Yeah.
Well, that's all for today.
That's all for today.
Stick around for the next video where you'll see all of these trucks going head to head. And these two in a race.
Yeah!